Hello, toy car collectors. Usually I don't collect character cars, but over the years I've ended up with a number of them in my collection, including these two Snoopy trucks, which were made by a company called Aviva. At least that's what they say on the base. So let's look at these guys a little bit closer. Starting in back with this little Snoopy tow truck, which is in very nice condition. Now, I'm not sure if this ever had any decals on it or not. Because I got it secondhand a long time ago. Now, this particular truck was made in Japan. And even though I said they were made by Aviva, my research has told me that the ones of these Aviva cars actually made in Japan were actually produced by Tomica and released under the Aviva name. So in reality, that is a Tomica car. So there's his little tow truck there. Now, when you look at these cars, they have a lot of dates on the bottom. I think the dates, when they start showing a lot of the dates on the bottom, are actually copyright dates on the characters. As you can see more of them on this particular one. I think that's the right way. You got Snoopy and some dates, and Woodstock and some dates. Now this is a later release that was made in Hong Kong, which was not made by Tomica. But this thing just definitely is from the 70s. With those crazy decals on there. Small bit of playwear to it. That's quite all right. Like I said, I'm not really a collector of character cars, but I always love having the diversity in the collection. And I'm guessing maybe a few people out there might actually enjoy seeing these. And yeah, I enjoyed looking at them too. They're pretty cool. Thanks for watching, folks.